G'day, my name's Stephen, and in this video I'm about to show you how to set up and commission your own JR. The first step we will do is assembling the machine. As you see, there's 4 parts: your drafter, your middle, your pedal section and your lead up. So with your lead up, as you can see, you'll have some drop latch pins. You'll get your lead up and you'll slide it into your pedal section. Give it a wee push till she clicks. Reach underneath and drop your latches. As you've done that one, you'll do the rest of them throughout the machine. As you can see, you've got latches down here for your pedal and also your drafter. The second step will be plumbing it up. If you come to the back where your lead up is, you'll see you'll have some air lines. These air lines lead to your pedal section ram, which controls your entry gate. As you can see, these are numbered, and you can see they're numbered on the ram. So 7 to 7. So just reach underneath, find out where she's going, and then just plug it in. Make sure she's in nice and tight, and vice versa on the back one. Now we'll lead to the foot pedal. As you can see, these are labelled 6 and 5. As you can see, 6 and 5. So just plug it in as so. And then just tuck them out of the way. Now we'll lead to the drafter. Four air lines. Find out where they go. They will be labelled. And just plug them in as so. Give them a slight wee tug to make sure they're in there nice and tight. Now, as we head to the sorting gates, you'll see 4 air lines inside a section of tubing. Fold your air lines through this hole. Pull them through nice and gently. Feed your tube. Pull your tube around and you'll see there is an added hole on the midsection. Just feed your air lines through it. Pull it nice and tight so it sits underneath. Now feed your air lines up and through the hole that's close to your control box. Up and ready to go to plumb into your drafter. As you can see, the air lines from the drafter to the control box are labelled. As you can see, you've got 3 and CP3. On side of the control box where your drafter air lines go, you'll see on one side it will have CP and the other one will have 3. So the 3 will go into your 3 and your CP3 will be the opposite side where it's got CP. And exactly the same way for the other side. Just make sure they're firmly in. Just give them a wee bit of a pull. Now you're ready to connect your mains ear to the machine. You come around the back here. You'll notice down the bottom, this is where you will connect your main air line from your compressor to the machine. Just push and you're connected. After you've plugged your main air in, if you hear any hissing, just pinpoint it and just make sure that you've connected your air lines properly by pushing them in harder. The next step here is to install your anti-backing flaps. As you'll see, there's 2 spots, high and low. Depending on the size of the animal is where you'll screw them onto. Now I'd like to talk about the operations on the dashboard. As you can see, we have a catch button here and a catch button at the back. We have our release button, our draft controls and our entry gate controls, which is a locked and an operation on catch. At the moment I am in the operation on catch, meaning when I catch the animal, either from the back or the front, my entry gate will close. When I've caught the animal and I want to go left or right with my sorting gates, I can by hitting my switch. As you can see, I've gone left, my draft gate will go left. Vice versa, right side. After I've finished with my animal, I can release it. As you see, my entry gate will open as well as my crush wall. Also, it's a good idea to pull your wall in, just for the size of the animal, so you're not having them jam up. The second mode on the entry gate is operation on catch. So if I'm weighing through the machine, I would have this to my right. Reason is, when I catch the animal, my entry gate shuts off the next one to come through. After I've dealt with the animal, I would release it. And as you can see, your entry gate opens. Depending on what you're doing, you can remove this board. This will help with flow through the machine. Now I want to talk about dagging. There's two ways in doing it. As your animal walks in, catch him. Make sure your entry gate is to operate on catch. Right, so my animal's ready to be dagged. I push my gate out of the way to do a stand and dag. As you can see, there's a bit of room here to dag the animal. The second way in dagging is to use my foot pedal and my crutching flat wall. On my foot pedal, I will push down. As you see the wall coming over, I will operate my crutching flat by hitting my switch forward. Gives me enough room to dag the animal and also go down the belly. After I've finished what I've been doing, I'll operate the switch, pull it towards me. Then I will push down on my foot pedal to tilt it back over and then release the animal. What makes the JR unique is the catch function in the back. If I have a sticky animal that needs a bit of a helping hand, I can push him from here and I can catch him. Saves me running all the way up to catch him at the controls. There's another unique feature of the catch button, applying pressure. After I've caught my animal, as you can see, the wall's quite loose. What I can do is just tap the button to apply more pressure to the animal. This is a helpful feature if you're handling bigger animals. The next step is to adjust your crush wall. The first step in adjusting your crush wall, pop your ear lines out. How to do this is push your ear line in, push the green tab in, hold the green tab, pull your ear line. Vice versa, push your ear line in a fraction, hold your tab, pull your ear line. Next thing to do is to move your wool. For the size of the animal, I'm going to move this one out. So my drop pin, I'll pull it out, rest it on top. Then I have the time to move this guy. So I will move it out to my second further away hole for the size of the animal. As you can see, I'll slot it over, slot it in, pull the pin, drop it down, lock it. If I need to change the length of my spear so it's not hitting my wall over the back here, I can pull my R clip, pop the pin and adjust it if need be. So this one here, I'll go to the second pin, second hole, pull it all the way out, pop my pin in, grab my R clip, lock it into place. When I'm done, I'll pop my ear lines in. And as you can see, it's in an open position. Another wee feature on the JR is to angle your crush wool. This comes down to the speed of the animal. You can slow them down a wee bit more. Grab your pin, pull your pin, and just aim your wool more on an angle. Also, this is a good feature for pregnant ewes. As you can see, the pressure is at the front. There's 3 things to note when weighing on a JR. You can purchase load bars. They sit underneath here. Your weigh platform starts from your extension and heads all the way back to your Dagging weigh plate. Your load bar cables from your load bars feed behind the machine, up your section, and to your scale is where you'd mount it. This machine does not auto draft. You're only controlling it via manual off the dashboard. So that covers the operations on the JR. If you have any questions, get in touch.